Bomb over at B. Get the wrecked, motherfuckers!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Pozdrav ljudi, evo nas u još jednoj epizodi Counter-Strike Global Offensive. I kao i uvijek igramo competitive, kao ništa drugo i ne igram. Tako da, spremite se za još jednu. Što priča ovo je? Gdje su si? Zapako je momak. Johnny regulator. Sve reguliše. Nemaš baš toliko.
Guys, go B and show. I look long, okay?
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Dobro, baš šta tačno mislim. My team.
Don't push long, guys. Don't push long, okay?
Samo ja i ti B, ja. Nemoj. B looks clear. We're pushing B. Mid probably, yeah. Oh my god, they're on B.
Through mid.
Okay.
Viene levo. Vieni tu levo. Push. Behind the box.
Kill.
Fuck.
Too late.
Too late for running.
Oh god.
Bad luck. Ali Johnny regulator reguli s 3 komada. We can't hear you, man. Mid looks clear. One guy mid. One is low. They're going long.
One on B.
One on B.
Long. Long one.
Be clear.
Short.
Be clear, yo.
One.
Be
Nice.
clear.
One shot. Oh no, one long.
They're all short. Oh, okay. I'm going behind them. Nice. No rush B.
Go B.
No, are you sure? Mid. Fuck, go B fast.
Chill B.
Bomb is on mid though. In the tunnel. One is mid. Oh, fuck, sorry.
What the fuck?
Good job.
I
You didn't steal, you didn't steal, you didn't steal.
Wait. They're rushing B. Rushing B, yo. Still going the same or? B looks clear.
Mid.
Short, short, too short, too short. Fuck.
They killed each other.
Push short, push short. One take my M4. Nice.
Holy shit, that guy saw me somehow. Bomb in the tunnel. Uuuu, Žurka! Yeah, B is clear. They're rushing long. Oh fuck, one is on mid, behind the door. He's coming. Dolaziti.
What the fuck is it?
AVP mid, and one guy is pushing mid.
Oh, shut up, you Mika.
One long, no. Flash. Long, look back, please.
Choo choo! Come on, man, shut up. Shut up, man.
He's going mid. Change it to B.
Maybe it's B.
Yeah, it's probably B. Wait for him to plant.
He's staying the B.
It's even better if he's saving.
It's
Don't
safe.
risk it. Or maybe going A now. Fuck, he's saving in his base. Long clear going B probably. Mid, yeah.
Bomb on our base.
Umri bre. I'm watching tunnel
2-0.
from the other side.
You mean Tista?
Yeah. Mid is clear. They're going B probably. No, short. Nice.
What the fuck?
A? Da. Hoćeš? Desi. Ne može.
His best friend. Okay.
One is mid, probably going to be. Oh, he was mid. Bomb over at B. Get the wrecked, motherfuckers! Kako sam ih izregulisao, nisu verovali ljudi, dešavanja. Ovo je treća epizoda danas, ili ne, ovo je četvrta epizoda, znači izgubio sam osjećaj za to koliko sam epizoda snimio danas. Šta će kad moram? Imam 3 pobjede za redom, ovo će biti četvrta verovatno.
Oh god. Double two. Yes.
Throwing flashbang. Deploying flashbang. Flashbang. Fire in the hole.
Ja sam ko da ste vi ubili nešto, brate. Vas dvojite čuvati tu.
Throwing flashbang.
Is long clear.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm covering mid.
I'm covering B.
One bug. One shot. One shot.
Only one is mid. I'm covering mid and short. One guy mid.
Fuck! Fucking grenade. It's B. It's not long. Too long.
Flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
One behind the door.
And B side, watch out behind you. Fuck. A taj auto je toliko baksuzno oružje, brate. Ras.
Let's go, people. Throwing flashbang.
Nice.
Throwing smoke. Throwing smoke.
What the fuck, man? What?
Pomoris,
the-
pomoris.
Oh god.
Grenade out. Flashbang. Deploying flashbang.
Nice. Ja sam teo da ga uzem, razmišljam da li bolje što ga nisam uzem. Ko da uzem taj auto, ne ubijem nikoga i ubijem nekoga iz pičke. My name is Jeff! Do we rush out or... Don't stop now. Come on! Nice rush, nice. One door, one window. Two guys on the window. One is on door. Nice. Bye? Yeah, bye. My kill better.
Short.
He jumped in front of me. Holy shit. I'll make a diversion and be smoking and shit. Thanks Nikita, by the way. Kako ga nisam pogodio nijednom?
No.
Fuck, he's rushing. Hey, two guys. One more. Do you want it? Fuck you. Come on, let's go B. Together. We got this, man. Wait. Go! On the right side. No.
Lobby.
Yeah, B is clear. Come B. Yellow.
I can't. He's low. Good game.
To je četvrta pobjeda danas za redom. Danas nas baš hoće. I dobro, to je bilo to ljudi. Pozdrav, hvala što ste gledali.